Hi, I'm Kate with the Learn2Care Newswire. We all know loneliness is tough, but what if a simple conversation could change that? Meet EUVOLA, built for connection. EUVOLA is an intuitive AI companion for TV or tablet, offering conversation, comfort, and connection without any new tech to learn. It chats naturally, supports emotions, plays memory-boosting activities, and brings loved ones closer using their voices and photos. Early feedback shows EUVOLA helps brighten mood, reduce loneliness, and spark more joyful engagement day to day. It boosts emotional well-being, but it doesn't replace caregivers or manage medical emergencies. Most care providers offer EUVOLA through wellness programs or family plans, adding comfort while saving staff time. EUVOLA is built with trust at its core, using consent-based setup, secure encryption, and transparent caregiver access. In caregiving, connection matters most, and EUVOLA helps keep that connection alive every single day.